Okay, guys, there's a Grand Caravan at the pick and pull. There it is, the Grand Caravan, a Dodge. It's an 05 Caravan, and oh, I can already see that window's bashed in. This thing was abused. What do we see? Some drugs. Drugs are bad, okay? Let's take a look at the pedals. It's got that beefy Dodge Grand Caravan gas pedal that I like a lot. It's kind of like a wedge. I sort of like that. Let's see. Can you guys see that? And then, oh, I'm glad they put the parking brake on, since it's like, you know, I'm worried it's gonna roll away. And it's got this big brake pedal. I'm not gonna hop up in the seat though, because there's shards of glass everywhere from that windshield. The headliner is sagging, but actually this like seat upholstery. How many miles? Does it say how many miles? No. The upholstery isn't too terrible for being this bashed up. I mean, the door's pretty grimy. It's silver. But yeah, something happened. This Dodge Grand Caravan has a story to tell. Looks like it was impaled or something. That does not look like a good time, does it? It's just like crumpled up. Ay, ay, ay. We're cruising around to this back seat area. There's like some floor mat type things. Oh look, I didn't know that the Grand Caravan has this like secret trap door under there. That's pretty exciting. Look at that. Oh, it's like a trap door on both sides. Yeah, I mean, if it weren't for that, whatever fate it befell, it was probably a fun, good little car for a good long time, and then it met its fate, and that was the end.